Hi, I'm Dr. David Green. I am a board certified and state licensed acupuncture physician and doctor of oriental medicine. And why might you ask, would an acupuncturist be here at the Beachcomber? Well, the reason why we do acupuncture at the Beachcomber is it's found to be very, very effective in helping to support the recovery process. The protocol I use here, it's actually 5 needles. It's what we call auricular acupuncture. So it's the 5 needles going to different points in the ear. Now, the first thing everyone asks is, needles in my ear, don't they hurt? Well, you know, the first thing I say about that is it's different for everyone. Some people may feel a pinch, some people may feel pressure, but for the most part, whatever you feel, it should be gone almost immediately. The overall goal of the treatment is to be very relaxing. A lot of the patients, when they're here in the Beachcomber and we're in session, they fall asleep. I have patients that tell me outside or before they started doing acupuncture, they had problems with insomnia due to the dependence. They have problems sleeping. They have problems calming themselves down. They can come in, and within minutes of me putting the needles into the ear, they can calm down and immediately be able to relax and get a nice nap in. We do it twice a week. The needles that I use specifically are basically are chosen by the National Acupuncture Detox Association, or NADA. Each needle has a specific purpose, but together they make this 5-needle protocol. The first one is a point called Shin Min that we use for calming anxiety. Helps to kind of relax the body. It's also used for pain. We have another point, it calms the autonomic nervous system. It's another point that's also good for anxiety and stress, helps to promote sleep. The next point we use is the kidneys. And from the Chinese medical standpoint, the root energy of the body comes from the kidneys. So this point is fantastic for exhaustion, for restoring energy. The next point is the liver, and basically we support the liver to help to kind of detoxify the whole body. And the last point is the lungs, and the lungs are great to kind of restore respiration and help to improve breathing. So these 5 needles are very important, and it's very unique to use these needles in acupuncture because typically in Chinese medicine, which acupuncture falls under, each treatment is kind of individualized to each person. So this is unique to be able to have a protocol to be able to treat people with it and get fantastic results. And most people, they love their acupuncture. They're here before I get here, lined up, resting comfortably and waiting for me to come around and put the needles in. So the way acupuncture specifically helps with the recovery process is acupuncture has been found that when I activate specific points on the ear by putting them in, basically putting a needle into these acupuncture points, it activates different corresponding parts of the brain. So for example, if I put a needle into the point, say Shin Min on the ear, well, it's been shown to activate parts of the brain that will then release different chemicals in the body, and these chemicals are going to kind of regulate the mood. They're going to help cut cravings. They're going to help basically if you smoke crack cocaine and I do a point on the lung, it's going to help to not only restore your lungs from basically trashing them, but it's also going to help to reduce those cravings for that particular type of drug. Alcoholics who just trash their liver. When I do the liver point on the ear, it's very effective in helping to not only kind of clear out all those toxins that fatty liver that's kind of going on there, but it's also going to help to cut their cravings and help them to be able to kind of deal with things on their own. Same with the kidney points. The kidney points will help to restore the energy of the body, and that energy is trash in all forms of addiction, whether it's smoking crack cocaine, whether it's alcoholism, whether it's benzodiazepines, whatever exactly is the drug of choice, these points together are very effective in helping it, and that's why they're also effective for things like cigarette smoking and so on and so forth. It helps with any addiction and helps to cut those cravings, it helps to relax the person and calm them down, and helps to serve as basically a kind of maintenance to help them throughout the rest of their recovery period not need those things to get through. So if you'd like to learn more about acupuncture and how it helps the recovery process here at the Beachcomber, then check out our website or give us a call. We'd be happy to give you more information. I'm Dr. David Green. Thank you very much.